Imagine the joy of cooking in your kitchen. Now, think about the role your utensils play in that process. The utensils you choose can be as crucial to your culinary success as the ingredients you use. Today, we're going to explore some utensils that not only retain the nutrition of your food, but also contribute to a wholesome cooking experience. First up, we have the traditional clay pots. Crafted entirely from natural ingredients and fired to perfection, these pots are ideal for healthy cooking. The porous nature of the clay allows moisture and heat to circulate evenly, preserving the nutrients in your food. Keep in mind though, cooking in clay pots might take a bit longer than other mediums. Next, let's talk about bronze, specifically Kanza metal. In ancient times, bronze utensils were the choice of royal families. They retain an impressive 97% of nutrients, making them an excellent option for healthy cooking today. When shopping for bronze utensils, be sure to check that they don't contain unhealthy amounts of nickel or tin. Third on our list is brass. Cooking vegetables and meat in brass utensils is a fantastic way to retain nutrients. Compared to aluminum, which retains only 13% of nutrients, brass retains a whopping 93%. Just remember to handle brass utensils with care during washing and avoid cooking highly acidic foods. Moving on, we have glass utensils. Certified as the safest cookware, glass utensils are commonly used for microwave cooking. Their non-reactive nature ensures that they neither release elements into the food nor absorb anything from it, resulting in nutrient-rich dishes. Last but not least, we have cast iron utensils. Although they require extra care to prevent rust, cast iron is considered one of the safest cooking materials. Its durability and excellent heat retention properties make it a favorite among health-conscious cooks. In conclusion, the right utensils don't just enhance the taste of your food, they also contribute to your overall well-being by helping to retain the nutritional value of what you cook. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember, your utensils are more than just tools, they're key players in your culinary journey.